The moment you find out someone cheated on you, your mind doesn't slowly process it, it collapses it. 1 second you're thinking, we're fine, and the next second you're replaying every memory like it was a lie. And here's the uncomfortable truth. What breaks you isn't just the cheating, it's the loss of certainty. Your brain suddenly doesn't know what was real anymore. So the question becomes, can you trust them again? Psychologically, trust isn't a feeling, it's a prediction. Your brain is basically asking, if I stay close to this person, will I be safe or hurt again? After betrayal, that prediction system is damaged. So even if they say I'm sorry 100 times, your nervous system still says, prove it. Now here's where people get confused. Not all cheating comes from the same place. Sometimes the relationship was already slowly dying. Silent distance, constant criticism, emotional neglect. In those cases, cheating is more like an escape from something that already felt broken. But in other cases, the relationship was still alive, and the betrayal hits like a psychological shockwave. But here's the key point most people miss. Cheating is rarely just about love or no love. It's often about emotional regulation. Some people don't know how to sit with discomfort, insecurity, or temptation inside themselves, so they escape into attention, validation, or fantasy instead of dealing with reality. Now, can trust be rebuilt? Yes, but not through promises, through repetition under pressure. Trust comes back when a person consistently shows up the same way, especially when it would be easier not to. Not once, not twice, but long enough that your brain stops feeling like it has to stay on alert all the time. And here's the hardest truth. You don't go back to the same kind of trust you had before. That version is gone. After betrayal, trust becomes something different, more careful, more aware, less blind. You don't trust with closed eyes anymore. You trust with open eyes, based on patterns, not words. But there's one question that matters more than anything else. Are they actually choosing you again, or just staying because it's convenient? Because no amount of love can rebuild trust if one person is emotionally present one day and emotionally gone the next. So yes, you can trust again after cheating, but only when behavior stops asking for forgiveness and starts proving safety.